There we go. This is a repair test for Mr. Kendrick Black. The date is September 12th, 2022. The time is 11:40 a.m. This is the shingle that we're going to be attempting to repair here. Got some wind damage. A general overview of that real quick. The tools that we're going to be using. Go ahead and get a close-up down there. Go from left to right with our overview. From this side, start over here. And then come this way. Yes, sir. Just like that. Gonna get a close-up of all of them. Make sure that they can see. Yep. Close up of the last one down there on the right. Very good. Alrighty. These are the tools that we're going to be using. Use a 5-in-1 nail puller, roof snake. Let's start pulling some of these nails. Get a close-up into the condition of that shingle. Very granular loss increasing. Very good. Moving on to the next one. See that granular loss as I'm hitting it? Just coming right off. Close-up into the condition of that shingle. See this creasing, granular loss. Moving on down. Story with this one. Close up in the condition of that shingle. Very good. Down the line. Checking the condition of that shingle. Come on back down this side, on the other side of me. Story with that one. Your granular loss. Yep. That one. That new condition of that shingle. Very good. Granular loss on all of these surrounding shingles. Moving the shingle, close up another condition of that, yep. Okay. Roof snake. repair test has failed. All the surrounding shingles have been compromised.